What's going on, guys? We have three questions right here. The first question is let let A and B both 4 by 4 matrices where determinant A is 2 and determinant B is 5. Find determinant of 3A inverse B transpose. Let's do this one first. So first of all, let's form this equation. So they are asking determinant of 3A inverse BG. So the first thing I have to notice is, so whenever they ask determinant of this one, this is like if it's 4 by 4, I have to just simply power them. So 4 by 4 mean I simply power by 4. If it's 5 by 5, I power by 5. Same thing goes to whatever the matrix they are given. And then I have to calculate determinant A inverse. Then I had to calculate determinant B transpose. So I can write separately determinant A inverse times B transpose. It means I can multiply both of them. It means determinant A inverse times B transpose. So first of all, 3 power 4 and determinant A inverse, I can write it as 1 over determinant A. And in according to the determinant rule, if it has a transpose, it's it's the the transpose and determinant B is same thing. So you can just write it as determinant of B. And then 3 to the power 4, determinant A is given, is 2, 1 over 2, and B is determinant B is given, so it's simply 5. Therefore the final answer is 3 by 4 times 5 over 2. This is my final answer for the first question. Then the second question is asking if A is n by n matrix where A transpose A is equal to I, find the value of determinant A. So first of all, I have to make an equation for this. So if A transpose time A is equal to I, it means determinant A transpose times determinant A is equal to determinant I. So determinant A transpose times A is equal to determinant I. Now what I can do is I can simply separate, like A transpose time A, I can write it as determinant A transpose times determinant A is equal to determinant I. Determinant A transpose times determinant A is equal to determinant I. So as I said before, if you have transpose, it's itself it can be equal to determinant A. So in determinant rule, if you have transpose, it can be written as same thing like determinant A, right? So it can be determinant A and multiply by determinant A, and determinant I is, if you see what is identity means it's going to be a ghost around like thing 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is 4 matrix, so it's going to be one more number, but whatever the number you get, the identity is going to be just the one, because when you find the determinant, it's going to be just one. So this is just one, and then this means determinant of A times A is going to be determinant A square. Determinant A square is equal to 1. So determinant A is going to be equal to square root of 1, which will be equal to plus or minus 1. So this is my answer for the second question. Let's do the third question. So the third question, they have given determinant A is equal to 2. So it means 2. And what else we can do is we can take this 7 common. If you see 7D, 7E, 7F, so it doesn't have to be in all rows. For example, if you have 7 in the another row, like if it's multiplied by 7 7 7, you have to take the 7 twice. If it's multiplied by 7 in all rows, you have to take it thrice, right? So in this case we have only one rows with 7 common, so I can take this common outside. Therefore it's going to be just multiply by 7, and see, if you see there are swaps here. For example, this A is in the bottom, and if you see GHI is in the second row and DEF is in the first row. So first of all we have to see, so because whenever they swap once, it's going to change the sign. If you swap once, it's going to be a negative. If you swap twice, it's going to be positive again. Then swap thrice is going to be negative again. So it depends on how many times you are swapping. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this has been swapped like, first of all they have swapped this one with this one. So A has been come to the bottom. So this is a minus sign. Then what happens is GHI was here and DEF was here. Then they swapped again with this one. So what happens is here is another minus. So minus times minus, it became plus. So minus, minus, it became plus, and the final answer became plus 14. That's how it is plus 14. This is my final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.